Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are using up our fabric scraps and decoupaging some plastic Easter eggs. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's jazz up some plastic Easter eggs. If you don't want to use fabric, you can use paper, scrapbook paper, tissue paper, anything you want. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2 and I will see you next week. Bye.